Mega love shout out everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Maldito FW World. For today's video, mga kamaldits, I would like to greet the 4 celebrities for today. 4 celebrities' birthday for today. First and for all, my youngest daughter, Nisi. Happy birthday lang da. You are 24 years old today, April 21. Ay, matanda na talaga si Mamang Palangga. I wish you all the best, my langga. And may the God will wish you always and guide you to pursue your dreams. Always keep safe and take good care of yourself, with your sisters, and mga pamangkin. I know that you did your celebration right now, so I wanna say I love you so much and wish you always both of you. Hindi na ako magdrama kay mahirap na. Masira ang makeup ko. I love you, langga. Take good care. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday to you.
Birthday ko, no? Ako yung pinakagwapang anak.
Tanahon daw? Hindi ko ba yung gwapa? Tanahon daw? Ang sagot na ko. Sila na may edad niya mo, Ben.
Tawa, wala ko yan, no? Wala ko yung force.
Sana all.
No?
Wala.
Ako lagi pinakagwapa rin yung anak.
Gulang na ko do. Kay ano na, 24 na ka.
Mang? Oh!
Gulang na ko ba kay 24 na ko. Sana all,
22
22.
pa ko. 22. 22 pa ko. 2002 mako gipanganak.
Tubot-butan ni mo do.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Sabi birthday girl, nagulo na magkaon.
To you.
How old are you now? Uy! Grabe! How old are you now? Pagali!
May pag-wish na! Mana! Hey! Ina, oy!
One.
And the other celebration, the second one, is our bunso in Yuki team. Bunso to siya, mga kamalits. Tinawag naman yung bunso. Anyway, she's not the right bunso, but she is very cute. Small but terrible. Mega love shout out, Bunso Roda. Happy birthday. Anyway, this is belated happy birthday. Her birthday is April 8, but they're going to celebrate their birthday together. Ako Rambo's birthday with Rolando. Happy birthday also dong. Di pa tayo nagkita ngayon, mag-encounter tayong dalawa ngayon. Marami pa kami. Happy at belated happy birthday to magkasabay at ang birthday nila April 8. May the God bless you always, both of you. And to you, Bunso, you know, alam niya naman kung budo ng ate. Basta enjoy the life na lang. Happy birthday to both of you. And sa aking pangmalakasang anak is Jingo Vlogs. Happy birthday, Jingo. Anyway, this is happy birthday for tomorrow. Hindi na ako mag-wish. Yung wish ko, what is your wish is my wish too. Pero, may pero ha. Basta, dito lang ako, nagsubaybay sa'yo. Kung saan ka masaya, go ahead. But, kung may mga bulyaso, andito lang ang hinahanap. Ready to rescue. Love you. Ingat palagi. Ito rin yung anakis ko na kahit awayan ko to, lagi ko itong digwasan. Halit pa rin. Love you din. And hindi ko natapos, hindi ko na damihan pa. Happy birthday once again sa aking youngest daughter, Nisi, and sa aming bunso, Rhoda, and to you, Dong Rolando, and sa aking anak, Jingo. May God bless you always. Guys, happy birthday. And YouTube family and friends want to greet my anak is Jingo Mix Vlog. Come on, guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hello guys! For today's video ay may greet tayong kaibigan sa YT World na walang iba kundi si Jingo Mix Vlog. Happy birthday sa iyo, Sisi. And ang wish ko lang, kung anong wish mo, yun din ang wish ko. And more birthday to come, more blessed to come, and enjoy your day, enjoy your love life, and stay pretty always. And happy birthday again. Enjoy your live streaming. Ayan ang importante, live streaming, diba? Shout out sa lahat pala ng nanonood. Shout out everybody. Love you. I love you guys. Babush!
Ngayon naman kay Jinglet. Jinglet, happy birthday, Jinglet. Wish ko na sana lagi ka lang healthy, tapos wala na yung hindi ka na mag-take ng gamot ba na talagang wala na yun, gumaling na yun, yung sa yun na yun. At pray ka lang lagi, at may God bless your heart's desire and your plans, and sana lahat yun ay matupad in His perfect time. And ingat kayo lagi dyan, Ate Margaret. Yun, ingat lang, happy lang always, every day. And yun lang, may God bless you always. Love you, Jinglet. At salamat sa team natin, kasi forever nandyan kayo natin, Mandits. Ni Kuya Raul, si Cutie Sai, miss you Cutie Sai, napasali si Cutie Sai, si Angie ayaw na sa akin, hindi ako sinasagot. Okay, love you guys, love you. Happy birthday ulit, Jinglet. Ingat ka, and be happy always daw. Stay in love. God bless.
Hello, baby Jingo. Happy birthday. Tsaka ang wish ko sana ay maging happy ka lang palagi. Yun naman talaga yung wish ko palagi sa'yo na maging happy ka lang sa kung ano man ang ginagawa mo, at saka kung ano man yung mga gusto mo, happy ka habang ginagawa mo yan. Happy birthday! I miss
Hi, Sis Jingo. Nagalaw shout out. No, happy birthday to you. Okay? And more blessing to come. More good health. At marami pang dumating na kaarawan sa iyo. Yan. Enjoy your day. Okay? God bless. And bye-bye. We love you and I miss you.
Hello. Magandang araw. Babatiin ko lang ang isang sisi ko ng happy birthday, Jingo. Sana marami pang blessing ang dumating sa'yo dahil ikaw ay napakabait na tao. God bless, more blessing, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Amiga.
Hi sis! Happy birthday, my dear. May the bright colors be to your life. Tandaan, edad lang ang tumatanda, pero ang puso hindi. I hope na enjoy ka sa araw na to. Wish ko the best para sa'yo, sa birthday mo, sa family, lalo na sa family mo, sa work, at syempre, lalo syempre sa love life mo. Happy birthday sis! Love you!
Hello Sisi Koy Jingo! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko lang ngayong kaarawan mo, sana maging masaya ka. And good health and more blessings to come. Sisi Koy Jingo, sorry ha, at hindi man tayo nakakausap at nakaka-chat sa hindi tulad ng dati. Lagi pa rin akong nandito. And alam mo naman yung trabaho, diba? And basta, ingat ka dyan lagi, Sisi Koy. I miss you, love you, and enjoy your day, Sisi Koy. And God bless. Muli, happy birthday. Love you, Sisi Koy. Mwah.
Hi, Ate Jingo. Happy birthday. God bless. Kung ano man yung wish mo, yun na rin ang wish ko. Ingat ka pala. Love you and God bless.
Thank you so much guys for the warmest greetings and message for my anak is Jingo. Dito busy pag itong inahan. Tapos, see you later guys. Anyway, nakatapos na ako ng isa guys. Dalawa kasi silang bunso. Andito na yung ating isa. Yan. Tapos na. Kasing ganda ng gumawa. Sana all.
Happy birthday to you.
Hirap itong master tayo guys. Okay. Hirap itong master tayo. Dito marunong. Yan ang mga lalabs. Ang motif namin for today mga kamaldits is fuchsia. Yan, kumanda na rin. Diba? Ang ganda ng kulay, diba? Ang kulay ko. Ayan. Dalawa. Na yan. I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Take good care. Have a blessed day.